A GE dryer that isn't getting hot can be caused by several issues. The problems may include a malfunctioning thermal fuse, power issues, a faulty heating element, a malfunctioning high-limit thermostat or cycling thermostat, or a malfunctioning timer. To fix these issues, start by assessing and replacing the thermal fuse. Turn off the power source, unplug the dryer, and disassemble the panels according to the manual to access the thermal fuse. Use a multimeter to test the fuse, and if it's damaged, replace it. Reassemble the dryer, plug it back in, and start it. If this doesn't work, conduct a power assessment by checking the circuit breakers to see if a breaker has tripped and resetting it if necessary. Test the voltage passing through the fuses and breakers, and make any necessary replacements if insufficient power is passing through. Then, start the dryer again. If the issue persists, assess and replace the heating element by turning off the power, unplugging the dryer, and disassembling the panels to access the heating element. Test the continuity of the heating element, and if it's malfunctioning, replace it. Reassemble the panel and start the dryer. If the problem remains, assess and replace the high-limit thermostats and cycling thermostats by turning off the power, unplugging the dryer, and disassembling the panels. Use a multimeter to test the thermostats, and if they're faulty, discard and replace them. Reassemble the panel and start the dryer. If none of these solutions work, assess and replace the timer by turning off the power source, unplugging the dryer, and disassembling the panels to test the timer for continuity. If the timer is faulty, replace it. Reassemble the dryer, and run it. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your GE dryer.